NFT stands for non-fungible token. It is a type of digital asset that represents ownership or proof of authenticity of a unique item or piece of content, typically using blockchain technology. Unlike cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are fungible and can be exchanged on a one-to-one basis, NFTs are unique and cannot be exchanged on a like-for-like basis. Here's how you can potentially earn money from NFTs. 1. Create and sell NFT art. If you are an artist, illustrator, designer, or any creator of digital artwork, you can create and sell your art as NFTs. This allows you to retain ownership and control over your artwork while offering limited edition or unique pieces for sale. Artists have found success in online marketplaces like OpenSea, Rarible, and Super Rare, where collectors can bid on or purchase NFT art. When your artwork is sold, you can earn money through the initial sale, as well as any subsequent sales if you include royalties in the smart contract of your NFT. 2. Tokenize collectibles or unique items. NFTs can also represent virtual or physical collectibles and unique items. If you have a collection of digital trading cards, virtual real estate, virtual fashion items, or other one-of-a-kind digital assets, you can tokenize them as NFTs and sell them to collectors. This can be done through specialized platforms or marketplaces that cater to specific types of collectibles. 3. Create and sell digital goods. NFTs can represent various digital goods, such as music, videos, virtual experiences, and virtual items in video games. Musicians, filmmakers, game developers, and creators of digital content can tokenize their creations and sell them as limited editions or unique pieces. This allows them to monetize their work directly and potentially earn money from subsequent resales. 4. Participate in NFT marketplaces. Besides creating and selling NFTs, you can also participate in the secondary marketplaces where NFTs are bought and sold. If you have knowledge and understanding of the market, you can invest in NFTs that you believe will appreciate in value and sell them later for a profit. Just like any investment, it's important to do thorough research and consider the risks associated with the volatile nature of the NFT market. It's worth noting that while NFTs have gained significant attention and popularity, the market is still relatively new and evolving. The value and demand for NFTs can fluctuate greatly, and it's important to approach the space with caution, understanding the risks involved and doing proper research before investing time or money. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.